girls eat babies anymore. Not baby anymore? You're not baby anymore, Neeson? No, you're a big girl.
No, we're crazy.
Are you kidding me?
Go back. Go back. Go back. Thank you. Hang on, let's transfer to rear cam a minute. That's that biker. I want to call it a biker, but mopeds aren't bikers in my eyes. Anyway, he's on the phone, stops just on the roundabout to continue his call. I have never seen a moped or a biker use his mobile phone when he's been on his bike. That's a first for me. Wow. Red light. Red light, red light, red light. But it stopped at that red light, so it has the ability to stop at red lights then, at least. Just chooses not to. Super. Can we just get some clappage, please? Clappage, please. That's not even a real taxi driver, is it? It's one of those pathetic little Ola Uber things, isn't it? Oh my god, man. Just knobheads.
Why, you enjoy your drive?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What was he doing?
He's gone down that one-way system.
But how?
Not entirely sure, to be honest.
That's just nuts minding that.
Because it's special.
Me and Ryan will fit back here, won't we?
Yeah.
I just have to squeeze in the middle. That's made you proper chuckle now, isn't it?
I don't understand, man. Wow. Literally, wow. I got no words for that, just wow. Good luck getting an ambulance through there.
Yeah. Your glasses back on properly, please. That van was disgusting.
Stop picking on people.
He just looked like a proper beaten up, didn't it?
Stop picking on people.
No.
You've been told in the comments, by the
No.
way. Maisie, sure.
Who?
I can't remember his name, but I'll put it on the screen. So you've got to stop picking on people.
Hey?
They're gone.
That's what I'm thinking.
Did she just beep at that poor lorry driver? Because she wanted to change lanes and it was in the way, so she beeped and flapped at him, didn't she?
We're not too sure. I heard a beat. I didn't know where it came from now.
Her there. That's her. You're welcome as well, you rude little Oh, rude. Thank you. There you go. A quick flick of the finger just to show your appreciation. It takes no fucking effort, does it? You rude little bitch. ever understand why people do that. That really does pickle me, because they blocked the road, stopped you from continuing on, but they can't go anywhere anyway, so why bother? I don't understand. I really genuinely don't understand why. That's like a proper selfish act, isn't it? If anything. Like I said, prick. Okie dokie. This is what happens at 3 o'clock in the morning. You don't see a car for hours and hours and hours, and then one just suddenly appears and then fucks off into the distance. Super. You haven't said special all day, have you? Have you? Say special now. You can shout it as much as you want, because that is special.
Special!
Say you're really, really special.
Why?
There's someone in there as well. He just refuses to move, is it? Is that what it is?
Be your.
He is. He just refuses to move. What an asshole. What an asshole.
TSB local pride. The electric toothbrush. It's important for a good smile. Do you know what else is important? Your sexual well-being. We're MyViv, and we're encouraging natural conversation around sex. With our new product range, celebrating all of our vaginas for good sexual wellness for all. That includes you. Let's feel as comfortable talking about our sex lives as, say, brushing your teeth. Oh, and that's not an electric toothbrush you can hear.
Oh, saucy! I was waiting for something like that. Dirty bitch.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Welcome as well, you rude little fuck. Ooh. This is like a genuine question now. He wasn't on the road. He came onto the road. I was already on the road. I already had road position. I should, technically, according to the highway code and every other rule on driving, I should have just carried on and made him go back. But I didn't. I thought I'd be a nice man. Did I get a thank you? No, I fucking didn't. Rude little bitch. Duh. He's still there. He's getting beat at and he's not moving. Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that an old MG? It might be. I'm not too sure. Old cars spotted. Ooh. Ooh, that was pretty sexy, wasn't it? Me like that. Ooh, another old car. What's old car spotting day today? Thank you, thank you. Most people would just barge through, but you seem to be a very lovely lady. Thank you very much. What? That was a lovely lady. I'm having a moment.
Mummy's on the basket. Chatter, chatter, chatter.
Oh no, baby girl, look what's happened. Cyclist got it right, but that man's come down the bus lane. Oh, bless him. I'm so sorry, it's a woman. Oh, bless her. Oh, good parking. Say good parking.
Good parking.
Yeah.
The baby's on a bus go. Wah, wah, wah. Ooh, through the town.
The cyclist on the road, say what red light, what red light, what red light. The cyclist on the road, say what red light. I didn't see it.
You not baby no more, Mason? No, you big girl.
No, we're crazy.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, so good.
Hold on, girls.
We're gonna get our check. Mommy, car in.
Go right.
Mommy, car in. What?
So you cracked it?
No, we good. But we're gonna make a fuss about him, and we're gonna put him in a nice little video and explain what. We'll add some swear words in edit.
Yeah.
We'll explain what one of those he is for doing that.
Why can't you just wait?
Because he's one of those. He's a big one of those.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay now. My car's okay, and my mirrors are still electrical.
Your face.
Oh,
Your face, Daddy, your face.
I'm gonna wait here for 1 minute because that's just
Mirror, good.
mirror good means me. Yeah.
I don't think he's coming back.
I don't think he is either.
Car, fix.
What a
Car.
Special snowflake.
Oh no, because we're gonna add some words in when we're editing. What a
Cunt.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.